Hello, Zickers! Autumn is almost here, and maybe it's time to change your wardrobe and say goodbye to shorts and t-shirts and all that stuff and say hello to warm coats and cozy slippers, my friends. But did you know that you can also say hello to golden opportunity to increase your sales on eBay by selling items in high demand during the autumn season? Before we dive into the best products to sell during autumn season, let's just understand when this season starts in the US. So, the autumn season in the US starts around September 22nd and ends around December 21st, giving us about 3 months of great sales if we can identify, based on data, winning products to sell on eBay. Now, it's crucial to add autumn-related products in advance to our eBay store so our listings will be perfectly indexed with the right SEO keywords in the titles, descriptions, and item specifics on eBay. This will allow your products to appear higher in relevant keywords when buyer searches for the item on eBay. Now, what does add products in advance mean for me, you might ask? Well, I like to start listing items on my eBay store around 3 weeks before the season starts, so I can sell these items to the early planners, those buyers who like to make sure that they have all the supplies they need for the upcoming autumn season before it officially starts. And we're talking about a large number of people, so listing the items around the beginning of September is ideal. And the nice part about the products that I'm going to show you today is that some of them can also be a great fit for the following season, the winter season, allowing you to have more winning items that generate sales for even longer time. So that's crazy. Are you ready? Let's start with the first product then. So when I think about the word autumn, the first thing that comes to my mind is like leaves falling from trees. Very romantic. For most people, this might seem like an obvious thought, but for e-commerce sellers like us, it represents an opportunity. If there are many leaves falling during the autumn season, it means that someone needs to pick them up. So by understanding the number of people facing this situation, we can see that addressing this need can be quite profitable. And that's why the first two items that I'm going to show you are related to this niche. And the first item right here is the cordless leaf blower. With this must-have product for autumn, people can easily clean their yards or gardens from the fallen leaves in seconds. And it's also fun. And if you ask me, you can do it in style than old-fashioned leaf wrecking stuff, all right? And looking at the Google Trends for this item, you can see here that there is demand. The demand increases steadily right before autumn. The rise in demand right before the end of September suggests that this is a strong niche for this time of the year. Now let's just review the true profit potential of this item. We can see that this seller on eBay right here, who managed to sell this cordless leaf blower 114 times at $50.99 for the price now, current price per sale. So $50.99 per sale. So using Zig Analytics, I found the exact same item for only $37.49 on Amazon. And this item is a Prime product, so shipping is free with Prime membership. And the customer service is managed by Amazon, which ensures high standard support. In simple terms, this eBay seller made over $1,600 in profit after eBay fees from this product alone. All right. And that's truly impressive. Now, what I want to show you is a useful trick for your own eBay dropshipping business. One reason the seller is able to sell so many units with a profit of around $14 per unit is the unique image they added to the product listing. It's simple, but it's very effective and makes the difference. The image on eBay is different from the one on Amazon, as you can see here. Look. And it appears that the seller took a photo of the same product from a different angle. And the results are just excellent, all right? As you can see here. Now, my tip is that if we return to the Amazon page, we'll see that this item has a 360-degree image. Look right here. Look at this. Now, this is something that Amazon started creating for products that sell well on their platform, allowing buyers to view the products from all angles. What you can do whenever you encounter these 360-degree images on Amazon is just to open them, choose a unique angle for the product, do a screenshot of this angle. Then you use that screenshot as the main image for your dropshipping product listings. From my experience, this approach can work wonders for your product listings. It just differentiates them from the competition. Buyers are more likely to click on your item when they see that your main image is different from others selling the same product. So that, my friends, is a good trick for you. So now let's move to the next product related to the falling leaf cleaning niche. And I'm talking about garden bags. Now, just imagine someone who has been using the leaf blower to gather all the fallen leaves from their garden, and then they need to put somewhere, right? They need somewhere to put these leaves, which is why garden bags are a necessary product for autumn. And we can see that this seller right here on eBay, who sold this 3-pack garden bags 407 times since the product was listed at $22.95 per pack. Now we can find the same item with similar qualities on Amazon for only $12.59. Now this is nearly half the price of like the same item on eBay. And after a simple calculation, this eBay dropshipper made almost $7 in profit per sale after eBay fees. With 407 sales, that's almost $2,800 in profit. Now, keep in mind, we're still not in the peak of the autumn season, so more sales are likely ahead for this smart dropshipper right here. The next product related to the storage niche is the storage containers. And you might wonder why storage containers made it into this list and how they are related to autumn. Well, this season often prompts people to switch out from their summer clothes for warmer clothing. So summer clothes need to be stored somewhere, and that's where the storage containers come in. And it's just great products to sell, especially at the beginning of autumn when people are updating their wardrobes. Using the product research tool in Zik Analytics, I can see a clear increase in demand for storage containers, as you can see here. This indicates the potential for selling these items during the upcoming autumn. And we can see that this eBay seller right here, who sold 158 units of the storage container for $11.99, is doing a good business. Because using Zik Analytics, I found the exact same item this dropshipper sells from Walmart for only $8.98. While the profit margin on this single product might be relatively low, there's another factor to consider here. Storage containers are often bought in large quantities. Even if the profit per unit is small, buyers typically purchase multiple containers at once, which can significantly boost overall profit margins. And that's why for storage products, I recommend offering options for purchasing in varying quantities or providing small discount for bulk purchases, for example. What do you think of these items, these products so far? Are you considering listing them into your eBay dropshipping store? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. All right, and let's just keep moving forward here. All right, the next product that I'm going to show is beanie hat. While I usually avoid selling clothing items due to their relatively high return rates, the beanie hat is an exception, because it's one size fits all, making a great product to drop ship. And as temperatures drop, more buyers will be attracted to beanie hats for their everyday routine. And it might seem like a simple product, but these beanie hats are excellent for maintaining body temperature during cold days. And additionally, this item right here remains in high demand throughout winter, giving you around 6 months of solid sales potential. It's quite brilliant, don't you think? You can see this example on eBay, this eBay seller who sold this adult beanie hat for $10.22, and it was sold 91 times. And I noticed the seller ships the products from China. Look at this, Shanghai, China. This gave me the idea to change my settings in Zik Analytics and source it from AliExpress. Look what I found using Zik, a perfect match. It's the same item at almost half the price on eBay, and it comes with free shipping and relatively fast shipping. So given the high margins on AliExpress, I would list this item on my eBay store, creating a similar title to the existing seller so I appear under the same search terms. And by listing this item at a slightly lower price than the competitor, just a few cents, my offer will be more appealing to eBay buyers. Additionally, I've noticed that the AliExpress seller offers discount for buyers who purchase more than 7 units with 10% discount. When suppliers offer promotion or discounts, I can offer similar promotion on discounts on my eBay listings. Is that right? Potentially leading to higher cart values. Now, the next item is a bike reflector. And this is one of my favorite items for two main reasons, all right? One is the YouTube traffic product. For those who don't know, traffic product is a cheap item that can be sold many times in your store, boosting your account performance and increasing the exposure of your eBay products, which leads to more sales. Then we have the high profit margin. Even though this product is inexpensive and consider a traffic product, the profit margin on it is quite high. This product is especially relevant because from November 3rd, the US changes to winter time, meaning that days get shorter. And for bike riders on open roads next to cars, safety is a paramount. They need to be visible even during autumn and winter. And so that's why it's a great product for autumn and serves an important purpose. And here you can see the product on eBay. It has sold 1,291 times. This bike reflector is simple to attach to the bike wheel and makes the wheel highly visible in the dark. And when I looked for this item in Analytics, I wanted to find a supplier offering a better price and a 2-pack option. And look at this. This is a perfect match right here. It's a 2-pack with the same assembly and it's priced at only $2.98 with free shipping. This means that the eBay seller made around $3 in profit after selling fees and has made over $3,900 in profit from this item alone since it was listed on eBay. It's not bad for a traffic product, don't you think? Now let's move to the next product. This product is perfect for drinking hot chocolate or coffee on a cool autumn days. And I'm talking about mugs. For this item, I prefer to sell it in sets of 2 or more as there's a high demand for larger quantities in this niche. Now, let me show you a method to find similar items to the best sellers on eBay and sell them at a higher price. Okay, let's review this product right here on eBay, which sold 87 times. This is a set of 4 coffee mugs. And using Analytics, I ran the search to find a similar product sold as a bundle. And I found this product on Amazon. This one right here. It's a similar item, but also includes 4 silver spoons. I call bundles like this a logic bundle because the add-on items make sense and add significant value to the main product. And what I will do now is list this item with the exact title as the eBay seller. And when buyers see this product, they will notice that I'm offering a bundle that includes 4 silver spoons for just a few dollars more, making their set complete. Additionally, this product is available on Amazon as a 6-pack, which is worth listing as well in my eBay dropshipping store and offering it as a quantity variation. If you found this video useful so far, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's talk about the next product. And this is interesting. The next product is the scarf, which is related to autumn and winter clothing and fashion. Since the scarves are usually one size fits all and have relatively low return rates, they're a great product for this niche. Plus, as you will see, the profit margins can be substantial. This eBay seller right here sold these scarves in a wide range of colors 1,282 times. Yes, you read that right. Now, on AliExpress, I found a similar product with the same qualities for only $1.65 with free shipping. If we sell this item at the same price as the eBay seller, we can earn around $5 in profit after eBay fees for each sale. Now, here are 2 recommendations for listing an item like this. First one, be honest with your buyers. The eBay seller used the keyword cashmere in the title, but the product is actually made from acrylic, as you can see here in the materials of the product in the specification. Look at this. By being truthful about the material, size, and other product details, you can just maintain a high eBay reputation with positive feedback and reduce the product returns. Now, the other thing is offer variations and discounts for bulk purchases. It's reasonable to expect buyers might want to purchase more than one scarf in different colors. So listing the item with a variation of up to 5 colors is a good idea to avoid overwhelming buyers with too many options, which could lead to confusion and lost sales, okay? Additionally, Additionally, one more thing here. Offering a discount for larger quantities can make your listing more appealing. It's that simple. And the last product in the list is a glass teapot with infuser. Believe me or not, teapots that you used to see at your grandparents' house or in places with vintage items are making a comeback. In 2023, the trend reached its peak over the past 5 years, and I expect this record to be broken between September and December this year. Here we can see that this eBay seller made a few sales already, selling it for $13.79 each. And by using Zik Analytics and adjusting my settings to source products from a local supplier such as Amazon, I found a similar item with the same qualities for $8.99. With this, it's clear that all these eBay sellers right here are making profit from selling a product like this. Now note that when sourcing fragile products like this, it's crucial to check the product reviews and feedback from the supplier. Products with low ratings are more likely to have issues such as arriving broken and so on. So by checking the buyer ratings for this product Amazon, I can see that it has a relatively high rating of 4.3. And after reading the reviews, I found that people rarely complain about broken items. So this gives me confidence in selling this product. So these are the top 8 products to sell during autumn 2024. Remember that by understanding the market, stay on top of the upcoming trends, and by basing your decision on solid data, you can build the ultimate dropshipping business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications for more winning items. Thank you so much for watching. Keep moving forward and see you next time.